Happy birthday, Cas. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Tita Kelly. Happy birthday, Tita Kelly.
Happy birthday.
Sing tayo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Ate Kelly, happy birthday. Wish you good health always. More birthdays to come.
Hi Kelly, happy birthday.
Hi Kelly! Happy birthday! Wish you many more birthdays to come and good health.
Happy birthday, Ate Kelly!
Hello, Kelly. Ang bait-bait mo na big sister kay Paulo at saka kay Andrea. May you continue to be very, very good to them. Happy birthday!
Hello, Kelly. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy
Kelly.
birthday. Hi, hello Kelly. Kumusta na? So, ang tagal natin hinintay to, no? Tagal hintay ng mama mo at papa mo. Tagal nila pinaghandaan to. Parang kailan lang din. Dito mo, maraming buhok. Ngayon, wala nang buhok. Yan, no? Oh. Ngayon, sa label mo na to, kailangan mo na magseryoso. Magseryoso ka, in a sense, sa pag-aaral mo. Seryoso ka na dapat sa mga importanteng bagay. Pagdating sa boyfriend, huwag kang magseryoso. Diba? Delikado yan. Baka may stress mama mo. Ikaw din, diba? Papa mo, baka lalong mabawasan ng buhok niya, katulad ko, di ba? Yan, si mama mo, si Ate Amy, laging busy na yan. Di na nga sumasagot sa mga message ko sa Facebook, sa ka-Viber, di ba? Ganun ka-importante itong birthday mo to. Tagal nilang pinaghandaan. Anyway, wish ko sa'yo, importante, matapos mo na pag-aaral mo, pagpatuloy mo yung maganda mong gawain, i-maintain mo yung matataas mong grades, pagpatuloy mo yung kabutihan mo sa kapatid mo, lalo na kay Andrea, di ba? Alam mo naman yun, di ba? Enjoy your birthday. This is your special day. Have a sweet dance, have a sweet ride, have a sweet kisses kung meron man dyan, di ba? Malay ko. Hindi. So, yun. Happy birthday, Kelly. Thank you sa mga nag-attend. Kumusta na rin dyan? Yung anak kong si Kier sa Kasiya na nag-attend. Lalo kay, Mrs. ko si Jean, di ba? Yun. Happy birthday, Kelly. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, beautiful. You've grown so much for the past, I guess, years that we haven't seen each other. We're all pretty sad that we couldn't make it to your 18th birthday, but we all wish that we were there to celebrate it with you. Yeah, I hope you're having fun. Hope you're having the best birthday. Your debut. Kuyas, of course, or uncles wanted to dance with you since it's your special day, but this is the best we can do for you, and we love you and miss you. Happy birthday.
Patibasa na. Today you reach your most special 18th birthday and debut.
Lolo po ni Kelly yan dati.
Yes, run so fast, just recalling your young moments in life.
Siya kasi yung naghatid dati ng
When you're still a baby,
Nung kinder pa
I
lang
used
siya.
to
Kelly,
Yes,
tingnan mo yung si Lolo.
after work. And when you start going to school, I
Sweet niya,
drive
di ba?
and part up you up. Now you're grown up to be a young lady.
A lady?
Hope you will stay as sweet as you are.
Oh, wow.
Finish your college course, occupational therapy. And
Oo
you
naman.
can use that when you come to Seattle, USA.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
I love you.
Hey Kelly, flowers for you. Happy 18th birthday. Ang tanda mo na pero at least as a teen ka pa rin. Happy birthday, pamangkin. I love you always. Pasensya na kung hindi kami nakapunta dyan kasi alam mo naman, yung tito mo medyo makulit. Love you. Roses for you.
Kelly, happy 18th birthday. I don't know if you recognize this song. It's actually from Steps. But I remember when you were a little young, we actually were dancing this song. You and I, and actually Joy keep playing this CD like I don't know how many times, but I remember you and I were dancing like crazy. Anyways, look at you right now. You're pretty hot. I was like, whoa, that's Kelly nowadays. I mean, whoa. Anyways, hopefully you're having fun right now, and here's a dance for here's a rose actually. Happy 18th birthday.